This is a 3D printed TPU timing belt. As you can see, it's about 1 meter in circumference. And of course, this is not going to fit on a regular plate. So what I have to do is print it in pieces and then glue them together. So I'm wondering if you guys can help me understand or have recommendations as to which kinds of glue might be best for gluing TPU together. Loctite, the Gorilla contact cement, the Super Oil Extreme, a epoxy, hot glue, or perhaps even just weld it, or as you can see, I just remelted the TPU. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.